My name is S.B. Sareen. I was working with the EDII Ahmedabad, that is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, National Resource Institute, in the field of entrepreneurship education, institution building, research, projects and training. And at EDII, I was working as Director, Department of Projects, Government. For 40 years, I was with them, 1980, January 84 till 2023, February 2023. I'm delighted to be here at this Alliance University for very many reasons. I found this university very proactive as far as promoting entrepreneurship amongst students is concerned. They have excellent team at place. The team is very good. The Pro Vice Chancellor, sir, I met him this morning. He's so very energetic, so very enthused, so very motivated towards entrepreneurship. Also, they have the IIC at this university, which help institutionalizing entrepreneurship in this university. And the kind of team which is here to help students in taking entrepreneurship as a career choice. Very experienced, thorough professionals, right kind of mentoring support they are extending. Especially, I would like to mention that Dr. S. Prakash, who has great experience of more than 2.5 decades, about 24-25 years of experience in entrepreneurship, research, innovations, because I know him for the last 14-15 years, and the kind of contributions he has made towards institutionalizing entrepreneurship amongst, within the system he worked. So that's a great contribution. So here a lot of initiatives have been taken, and I'm sure the kind of initiatives Alliance University is taking, very soon they start yielding very positive results. Not only the management is proactive, I have noticed that the students also, they are keen on taking up entrepreneurship as a career choice. They are brilliant young minds. They want to join the mainstream as far as industry is concerned. They have good ideas. They take a lot of support from their mentors and faculty resources. And I'm sure, very soon Alliance University will also be known as one of the best destinations as far as entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurship research is concerned. Well, as regard becoming entrepreneurs and joining the mainstream, my advice, my suggestion to the students is there are a lot of benefits, opportunities available for today's youth. The right kind of ecosystem is in place. Many schemes and advantages are available for the students community. Government also is giving a lot of focus, lot of thrust on promoting entrepreneurship. I can say that the kind of support towards entrepreneurship available today, it was never maybe 10, 15 or 20 years before. But today, all kind of best schemes, whether it is training, whether it is mentoring, whether it is handholding, whether it is early stage finance, whether it is credit linkages. So everything is available, and it is our responsibility. When I say our responsibility, it is the responsibilities of today's youth, students, to encash upon the opportunities available and convert their business ideas into activities, into action. That means setting up, getting into the startups and setting up enterprises. So if we do this, I think our future will be great, will be brilliant.